Hi there guys and gals. We're now here in Bitukang Manok, Quezon. We're traveling almost 3 hours and it's some kind of fast. Yes guys and gals, we are driving safely. Smooth sailing. Love that guys and girls. Bicolandia, maybe 5 hours left or 6, 8 before I have my arrival. But for